Meaning of Frederic Remington.
Frederic Remington.
Frederic Remington.
Frederic Remington.
Frederic Remington. Frederic Remington was an American painter, illustrator, and sculptor born in 1861. He is often considered one of the most prominent artists of the American West, particularly for his depictions of cowboys, Native Americans, and the U.S. cavalry. Remington's work is characterized by its realistic depiction of rugged landscapes and the people who inhabited them. Through his art, he helped to create and popularize a romanticized image of the American frontier that continues to captivate audiences today. Overall, Frederic Remington's legacy as an artist has had a lasting impact on American art and culture.